Welcome to my channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are at Creativeville Concepts. While the magic happens, we have a good show for you coming up. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are at Creativeville Concepts, where all the magic happens. So look who's back for some more upgrades. This is my customer's 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Very nice. He actually took the doors off and bought these aftermarket door bars, whatever they're called, but they are pretty cool. So what's happening today, I will be replacing the headlights, which are oxidized, like I've mentioned in several videos before this one, and also the fog lights. Again, they suffer from the sun. Factory lights are all made out of polycarbonate, so even though you can have them cleaned and sanded and painted and clear coated and all that, eventually they will come back to this same look, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is replace them with some aftermarket lights, and there are several out there, several hundreds out there, that I've done a lot of research on, and I wanted to find the best options for my customer. And I also found some fog lights here, you know. And again, you'll have to do your research. You'll have to read the reviews, take the time out. Now I will put these in the description below if you guys want this. I'll probably do it anyway, just in case, because I've done at least 6 hours of just reading through comments and reviewing these companies, and a lot of them suffer from like shorts. The LEDs that they're using, sometimes they fluctuate, which is a problem, because, you know, once you go through the process of installing these things, you know, you pretty much just want to enjoy them, you know, not only for better light output, but for, you know, for quality. And I mean, who wants to keep, you know, taking them back out, replacing them, contacting the company, which a lot of times these companies, after 30 days, 90 days, if they last a year, I mean, it's just a headache. So with all that said, guys, I'm going to get started on this upgrade for this 2008 Jeep Wrangler. I want you guys to be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, progress being made here. So I have the front grille removed, and these are the clips that I showed you earlier. Now you will have to replace some of these that are damaged. I always keep a set of different clips. Now these are the ones that actually go on this bottom piece on each corner. I have different types of nylon fasteners, so I'll probably end up replacing those. And of course it went across here. So those two I had to remove to have access to the fog lights. Yep. Well, with all that, guys, I'm going to get started again, and I'm going to remove these lights. Look back there. I'm going to check on the plug. A lot of times it's good to have electrical grease for a lot of these connectors, you know, because it's actually done in the factory when they build these things. And it just, you know, it protects the connector, especially if you live in a state where you're near the water, which I am. Corrosion always happens. As you can see, there is surface rust on a lot of these vehicles that I work on. So, you know, just keep that in mind, guys. See you in the next clip. All right, guys, making some progress here. So as you can see, I have the passenger side headlight installed, and I'm running it through some tests right now. So this LED halo ring basically will flash when you have your turn signals on or your emergency lights. And of course it has the adapter, so your original turn signal will actually be connected as well, which of course is right below that headlight. So now I'm going to turn the flashers off so you can see that halo ring that's flashing will actually turn solid white. So that is your daytime running light, basically. So this particular model of the headlight assembly actually does come with all the adapters that I need. It's a little bit tight fitting for the there's an adapter that plugs into the factory socket. All right, guys, I'm going to start on the driver's side, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. All right, guys, welcome back. So a little bit more progress being made. Both headlights are officially installed. I ran the test through them. Turn signals are working. Low beams are on right now. The factory turn signals also work. So I'm going to turn off the low beams. And there's your daytime running lights. Looks good. All right, guys. Now the fog lights. Ooh, those look bad. All right, guys, see you in the next video. All right, guys, progress being made here today. The good news is I didn't have to remove the bumper. So I was able to use my shop mirror. Standard mirror you can get at Walmart. $3 or $4. Well, it's probably more now. But yeah, this thing really comes in handy. It's sitting on the support beam under the bumper, and it allowed me to see the location of the screws, which I used a small magnetic screwdriver to unscrew the fog lights. All right. So here are the new ones I have in place, and I'm going to show you what they look like right quick. So to turn your fog lights on, let me see, years 2008 up to, not sure what year it is. If you guys know, leave it in the description below. So anyway, you turn your switch to the left and you actually pull out, and that'll turn your fog lights on along with your parking lights. So these particular fog lights that I chose for my customer, I thought they were pretty cool. Reasonably priced. Like I said, I'll put it in the description below. you guys can leave a comment or reply back to it. But these are really nice quality. Of course, I've done a lot of research and read a lot of reviews. So what these do, you actually pull that stock out, you push it in and pull it back out, it will actually change to amber. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm not sure if you can see this with my camera phone, but you can flip it from amber to white to clear. So and it is LED, so it'll last probably the life of this Jeep. So with all that, guys, headlights are working good. Everything is all connected, and I'm ready to put this thing back together. So with all that, again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the section below. Let's take a look at these old factory fog lights. So this isn't polycarbonate. These fog lights are just like a somewhat high quality plastic, but again, nothing like that is impervious to the heat, you know, the different temperatures, you know, of the sun, whatnot. You know, these headlights are polycarbonate. That's why the fog lights look worse. But anyway, brand new, old. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hello, and welcome back to the completion of this 2008 Jeep Wrangler. This is the X edition. Not sure what exactly that means, but a very nice upgrade. As you can see, I'm going to leave the plastic on for my customer to peel them off. That's just the way I do it. And see the fog lights in there. Now, of course, it's on clear now. So let's pull this stock in and out and switch it to amber. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed, guys. So let's put the flashers on, turn off the headlights. Completely different look, especially for a 2008. It's a really nice upgrade with the LED halo turn signals. All right, guys, so with all that said, I'm gonna call my customer to come pick up his Jeep, and I want you guys to be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.